Honolulu Community College Carpentry Program is different in a way that we integrate not only sustainability, but also Hawaiian culture. Some of the values is alakaʻi, which is leadership, where our students will take turns to be foremen on a specific project. Kuleana, which is responsibility, and then ʻohana. At the end of our semester, we become a family.
Something a little bit about the carpentry program here is this is kind of like prepping you for the actual field out there. It's really good for students really looking to just experience firsthand what it's like to be a carpenter. And they teach you how to handle the tools, how to use the equipment, learning how to frame a building, learning how to do finishing. All those aspects go into carpentry program.
It's a 2-year program which consists of 4 semesters. Upon graduating, our students typically go on into a certified pre-apprentice program.
My current job that I'm in now is project coordination, so I am working on a hotel renovation currently. This program did help me to become job ready because without the basic knowledge that this program provided, there's absolutely no way I would have been able to get this job.
So at Honolulu Community College, our students go out into a community and help various organizations. We try to at least help one community partner per semester, such as the Honolulu Police Department, Department of Hawaiian Homelands, and help various kupuna or elderly to renovate their homes.
I do take advantage of the resources here at Honolulu Community College. I'm a part of TRIO and Poʻinanalu, and those are programs that really support students.
I'm happy to see more females in the carpentry program. I did feel very supported by the teachers, by the staff, especially by my fellow students.
So students should come to our carpentry program. They will learn hands-on training, using the tools safely and correctly, and also learn how to become leaders in the community.
So my plans moving forward into the future will be go to apprenticeship. Hopefully I can get my journeyman's license. At the same time, I hope to open up my own shop.
Aloha, I'm Dean Crow. I'd like to invite you to be a part of our Carpentry ʻohana at Honolulu Community College.